Meaning of eclipse.
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 Eclipse. Eclipse has several meanings, but the most common one refers to a celestial event in which the moon blocks the sunlight or the Earth's shadow falls on the moon. During a solar eclipse, the moon casts a shadow on the Earth, resulting in a temporary darkening of the sky. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth moves between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon. This causes the moon to appear reddish-brown and dimmer than usual. Both types of eclipses can only occur during specific alignments of the sun, Earth, and moon.